Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Uncle from JamToursAfrica.com family. And today, guys, I'm actually, I'm at the Loftel today. I'm in a studio today, family. For the second time I will be in the studio today, guys. So we just want to carry that footage, family. I show you what one, we have planned. They have put everything together for the Caribbean brunch to give you a mad stage performance. Europe will go on this and call this. So look out, guys.
Specify Kingston still hold the crown.
Yeah, family. I don't know how Jam Tours Africa over there. I want to show you, the Loftel apartment. There have a lot of Jamaicans and Caribbean people and people from the diaspora, from the Americas living over here. So if you come and live at this place, family, trust me, you feel at home.
My precisions are so.
As you know, guys, the Loftel already sold out. Studio apartment, 1 bedroom, 3 bedrooms sold out. We only have 2 bedroom family, and they have an offer right now, guys, where you can pay 50% down and get 8 months to repay. And within that 8 months, they actually are going to rent the place for you. And when they finish pay, they give you back the rent that they collect, family. So that's the last plan, that's the last option for you to live in this place.
Much more life when me I give thanks for. Sophisticated and sound, verbal well profound. Suffering and play, receding my home ground.
Yeah, family. So Rasta actually, they're on the other side. I'm actually, they're on the same side. We go to Nairobi from Gong Road right now, so we're just picking him on the way, family. So it's like a celebrity day today in Kenya, family. We're rolling out in the studio, so let's go.
I'm trending, and I'm not bending.
Fly.
The police are
Voodoo, you do, big rich, man all around voodoo. Voodoo, you do. Nowadays every man gone pango.
Yeah, family, so we're there. Yeah, man. So tell them about yourself, artists. We're there. We're the first studio recording, on levels. Because we have some choreographer I want to put in the thing too. So I want to be a flag, man.
Alright.
Why the flag man?
Oh, you know, so I want a flag man. I would tell you, no.
I be the flag man, so
we don't want no man.
Where you say two princess?
Two princess.
Two princess, so here's the flag.
Ricardo,
the man say we not send text enough. Andrea, we are sent.
Straight up. No flag man.
Instagram and Spotify, Facebook and Wi-Fi, Hotspot, WeChat, WhatsApp and TikTok. For all them social media, network giant social leader. Them setting up infestation. All them need are just information. I'm trending wherever it is.
Tell your flag, yo, something wrong. But we are get it over with.
I must show you your blood. You're my boss. You're jump like the one.
Spending, and I'm trending. My Google account not pending. Trending, wherever it is. Spending, and I'm not pending. Try just blending. And if you can't find your mother, go. And if you don't know your father, go. And if you don't know your last name, go. Want a trip on a fast plane, go. Get lost.
Next day.
Expiation. Chop. Yeah,
Lift it up. I have to lift up that carrier to make him put on the wheel, you know.
all the way in and tight. All the way.
Yeah man, we're good man. We are tight to the proper.
That ain't right.
Here's a price. If you fight a man and him lose him teeth, and you have to pay whether you're right or wrong.
I'm still loving people. I'm still loving life. Loving life. Loving people. Loving people. Loving life just create man, it's so fantastic. Babylon come around them acting sarcastic, trying to brainwash us and kill us with trick. And it's a mental game to a brain they change click. Listen this song, the youth them come and sing righteousness and blessings and joy this one I bring. I'm appealing to the queens and king. When the people hear the one of the years of suffering. Loving life, loving people, loving people, people full of life. I'm still loving life. I'm still loving people. I'm still loving people.
So right now we're going into the studio where we're gonna do the rehearsal.
For sure.
Treasure Man in person. I'm there with the Dan Romesh. I'm here to Ricardo. I'm there with the cameraman himself. He's now gonna turn the camera upon himself. My lord!
I'm still loving people. From the bliss of life and saving my gratitude, love and faith.
Big up. Third score.
Africa, you know, security for surety.
Yeah. Take notes for all life within to his code. And only King Selassie will life place for vote.
You see me? And the man needs to play the drum.
Take notes for all life within to his code. And only King Selassie will life place for vote. Loving life, loving people, loving people.
Yeah, but I'm a real big man this, you see me? Chop chop boss. Yeah.
Chop chop.
And this man make the thing work, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, alright. Been a little while, you never see me face. But me come around, me want to take me place. Me not go take my ears, me still a hold me place.
Paradise Lost. On Cambridge Road family. Caribbean Church. Next edition is gonna be hard. You're gonna get a live performance by the big artists in Kenya.
February 15th here.
Loving life, loving people, loving people, loving life.
Yeah, the studio is rehearsing studio. The spot.
Is the spot.
We make magic.
You create magic.
Yeah, we create magic right here. So at this point, we're gonna take a little break. And you know, the break to break the cake.
Yeah.
Because life is great.
Life is great for sure.
My love, hey, Nairobi, Kenya, here I am. I can't wait to be under your sun, taking my stand. What's my name? Treasure Man.
Yeah, family. So I'm a cameraman, guys. So I'm record the session.
Yeah, what's up?
Patience, man, Thomas.
Yeah.
Just it, man.
Just say.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I said, you know, we just take a little break.
What you say?
But now, the cake is big.
Yeah, energize up, Romesh.
A jam tour, you know.
Yeah.
Remember, in Kenya, the biggest thing.
Yeah,
You see me, I
sure.
said? So from Jamaica to Africa, Africa to Jamaica, oneness.
One connection. Let's go, Papa.
Really?
Yeah, guys.
And then now you roll again.
Yeah, to job in the glory.
Now we get it.
Ricardo.
Listen, find the power.
organize a good thing, organize a good drumming.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my God.
How about you?
Again with the first one.
Yeah.
Better sound.
Music only. The first one. I'm gonna say.
Yo, see you, man. Give me the boy, see you, man. See you, speed. See you, speed. Yeah, man. No, that's slow, man. Yeah. Chef Ricardo. Only man, man. Kingston, yeah. Cheer up. Alright. Check it out. You know myself, you know. Alright. We're going to go for sardine. And all you want damn thing. Jump towards with the turbo Tommy. Then right down with jump. And then go suffering, oh yeah. Hey, be honest. And then go suffering, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Watch it up. Listen. A long time man a suffer. Do me want me to study dope with a buffer. This a man can't came up with the butter. You a buffer, you be shut and do no utter. I know what the priest from the buffer. Bring a step through the gutter with the gutter. Your life sleep but see me like buffer. Bring out see me like buffer.
Yes, mama, we got you. Hey, mama, we got you. Like the torch and the liberty.
One Lord.
so keep talking with me. Oh, I don't know where you're from. I hear you're my Kenyan, girl. Try and sick like a Jamaican, oh, what up, I don't know, this is the flag for where?
Jamaican flag.
Jamaican flag and the sea of the Jamaican. Jamaican flag, we talk to me with your what I tell him, I think it's our but what you, but me. Maybe it's a bullet, shake a Kenyan, shake a Kenyan, now I'm feeling irate. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My brother Reggae step. Now you give me right. Now give me bam, 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 bam. Thank you Reggae for bringing me to the end. Give me a microphone.
Go blend the outro. All them keep parts in my life like a scapegoat. No food they don't know. Work hard like no sun. Feeling on the sorrow, no scapegoat. Life, borrow, live, borrow. Focus on the future, not just for tomorrow. Pain, sorrow, guns, borrow. Prison, war, peace, help, way. Stress and distress, and so stress can't make stress. I just need judge of blessings. Heads up the days in this place where you wait, judge and teach us a lesson. What was that?
Next track.
Next track.
You know how we do it. Yeah.
That's how we do it.
Africa.
Live and direct.
Mama Africa. The real black gold.
Music. Alright.
The genuine black gold. You see what me I say?
Yeah.
This one, a lot of people forget themselves. You see what me I say?
Yeah.
After we see what I want.
Yeah.
Yeah. My life. Hey, let's
Emperor Selassie, I live in this universe. He's the truly first, yeah. Cool life. Yeah. Sophisticated and sound, my verbal well profound. Sovereign and promptly, proceeding my own ground. My precisions are specified, King Selassie still hold the crown. Don't be a spasm cause only two lions could lift the crown. Sophisticated and sound, my verbal well profound. Sovereign and promptly, proceeding my own ground. My precisions are specified, King Selassie still hold the crown.